Alright guys, so corn became a problem child with 10 days to go. I thought we'd be okay, but it turns out we're going to need to roll it to be safe. We have 10 days left in this expiration, and we are right at the money. So rather than risking anything here, I'm going to just roll it to the next cycle. So it has to be done in two parts, and just to show you, if I were to do it like a regular strangle, buy to close, the two legs there, come over to the next side, and pick my strikes. Okay, you can see that this is an overall net credit. However, the strategy is not valid because I am actually rolling from one contract to another contract, and it's rolling the put side to a debit. So the only way you can roll futures is by a credit. And so if I show you here by just doing the calls, you can see that I can do this trade, right? That's a credit. But if I were to try and roll the put side down, this debit is not supported. So in order to do this, you're going to have to do it in three parts, right? You're going to roll your calls. So in this case, I'm going to buy to close the 760s in June, 10 days out. I'm going to go to July, 38 days out. And I want the 700, so I'm going to sell to open these 700s for 7.250. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and send this one off. Hopefully it fills. Okay. May have to take a little less just to lessen, but we'll let it sit while that goes. I don't want to do the debit side yet because I want to make sure I have enough credit. I want to at least make sure I net out with about $50, which if this fills, get that. So hopefully that fills. And while that's going, what you will then do is come over here and just straight buy to close this one, right? 13,375. You're going to close this leg and then you'll open the next one. But I really want to see if I get this credit. What's the next one down? If I take it down 125, which is 356.25. That'll net me $42. So actually, that's not too bad either. So for the sake of this lesson, I might just try to take it a little bit lower, see if maybe I get price improved. So just to get this to go through accurately here, I'm going to go ahead and change this price. I'm going to drop it down to the next tick, 7.125. And that's not filling either. So let's let that sit for a second and see what it, and there it is. Okay, so 7.125, right? Which equaled $362. So just for math purposes, right? And that's done. Okay, so now the put one, you need to come over here and just buy to close. So I'm going to buy to close this at 14,375. Okay. And might not get it because I'm right on the bid. I'm going to have to go apply 14.5 here. All right. 14.5. Going to be $125 debit. We'll hit that. See if that fills. Joys of having to do it in three parts is got to chase it around a little bit here. So corn heading down, is that what my, all right, so there's the 14.5. And then now you'll come over to the next expiration, back to July 23rd, and I'm going to take the 505s for that 8, hopefully 750 here, which will give $432, 437.50, right? 287. Let's just make sure this is the accurate number I want. Take this minus this. Yeah, that should. All right, so then I'm going to bid this 8.750 at the 505s, and Get that either. $8.62 will be next price here. 8.25, which should still work. Video. All right, 8.625, which is credit of 8.625, 431.25. So looks like I got a net here for gross credit of 362 credit there, and then debit of 293. So my overall credit here, 362.50 minus 293.75, another $68.75 in credit. Okay, so that's how you do your rolls with futures when you cannot get a credit on both sides and you have to roll for a debit. The strategy, have to do it in 3 parts. Okay, so now we're recentered on corn. Expected move, just past expected move, and normal process. We'll wait it out. Yes, what's up, Kurt? I'm gonna type this up while you're doing that here.